What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again with another video. So we are back with another tutorial slash review slash first impression on the new Juvias place, their Nubian Earth palette. So they recently just dropped this literally this week. So today's Mother's Day that I'm filming this on. This was released, I want to say on Thursday of last week. So yeah, this got to me really fast. I got it yesterday on Saturday. So this is the inside. It's pretty much like a neutral palette. I want to say it comes with one pressed glitter. Yeah, this is a pressed glitter. That has to be. Let me see the back of the palette. It's not saying on here, but that literally looks like a pressed glitter. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Nope, I'm wrong. That's an eyeshadow, but from the pan, it looks like a pressed glitter. Okay, so it's just all shadows in here, no pressed glitters. You get like 5 mattes, because this is technically a matte, but it has like that shimmer. It's almost kind of like that ColourPop matte formula where they have like that micro like glitter in there or whatever it may be, but yeah. Anyways, so one thing about this palette is that it looks oddly familiar to the Warrior palette, like just the packaging alone. And I was like, okay, let me look at the inside because these are very similar. Y'all, these palettes are literally, they're not the same exact colors, but they're definitely very similar. So same thing. I would just say, I mean, if I'm looking at the two, I like this one a little bit more just based off of just it having more mattes in here. It's a little bit smaller. It's just, I feel like I could do a little bit more with this. Anyway, so I'm here just chit-chatting, talking it up. Let us go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes first using the Makeup Revolution, their eyeshadow base in the shade Medium. Okay, so like I said, today is Mother's Day that I'm filming this video on. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, shout out to you. I don't have no kids and I'm not ready for any kids, but for all the people who do have kids, man, shout out to you. I used to be a children's teacher at my church and I used to teach the 3 to 5 year olds. Anybody who has kids that age, seriously, shout out to you because those kids used to run me ragged. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so I'm getting ready actually to go out to a Mother's Day dinner with my familia, my family. So I'm really excited about that. We're going to like a nice little steakhouse. I'm not even sure what I want to do yet with this palette. I'm glad, like this palette honestly was perfect because I've been loving lately to just kind of do something, you know, a little bit softer with my eyeshadow, even though I love color. But like, I don't know, I'm one of those people that I feel like certain looks definitely are more appropriate for certain things. And if I'm going out, like I don't really want to do like a hot pink, blue, purple glitter. I don't want to do all of that. So this palette is actually perfect. And honestly, looking at this is the perfect size and everything. A perfect everyday palette. The only thing, man, I thought it had a black in here. I really thought this was like much darker. Sorry. Thought it was like a black from like the swatches, but we'll see. When we actually apply this on, we're gonna see how dark this can go. So, okie dokie. So, eyes have been primed. So this is the palette, right? This color right here is like, I just love like grungy tones like this. I think I wanna first start off with this shade and maybe go over with this shade here. So let's see. I need a nice little blending brush. So I'm gonna take this brush right here and I'm first gonna go into this color and then I might go over it with this. Actually, no, I am going to. So I'm gonna go first and then this one that. So anyways, you guys, shout out to all you guys, like honestly, who really do follow me because I have not been able to be consistent with my videos because y'all, when I say these past 8 weeks have just felt like utter hell. So let me even explain to y'all, okay? So if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I'm currently getting my master's right now. I'm getting 2 masters. And so the way my program works is that it's done in 8-week sessions. So I do a full 16-week like of coursework, but it's two classes are in 8 weeks, another 2 are another 8 weeks, right? And so 2 of these classes right now are classes that I actually have to go in person. And not only that, the job that I currently have is a job that I was working from home and then they had us start coming back into the office, and the commute to this job is just really far. But by the grace of God, I got a different position within my company to where now I can come back to working from home. But it's so crazy that I literally got this position after the 8 weeks that have just passed, right? So for the past 8 weeks, I've been driving to work, driving to school, doing schoolwork, like, and now the semester is rounding out this week. Come May 11th, I'm gonna finally be done. And I have the summer off and I just got the position last week and it starts next week. So it's kind of like, what the heck, like really? But pretty much my goal this year really was to be able to put out 3 videos each week. And in the month of April, I just wasn't even able to do that, you guys. I only put out 3 videos the whole month of April. And I enjoy doing YouTube. Like, I enjoy posting videos, and I just haven't, it's like, when it came to like prioritizing like what I have to do, YouTube just kind of had to fall out the wayside, unfortunately, because it's like I have to get the schoolwork done. Like, and when I did have free time, anybody who knows, like when you're really busy, even though it's like you want to get this thing done, it's just like I'm tired. Like I literally just want to sit down and be unproductive because I'm just tired. And that's literally how I felt. By the way, this color is really cute. I feel like this is like a nice like cool tone grungy palette, and I really kind of like this. Okay, so this color is cute. Now I'm gonna go over with the other shade and let's see how that looks. I kind of want to just do like a nice like grungy, like not grungy, like a cool toned eye look, because that's what this palette is giving me. Like the mattes in here look very cool toned, and so do the shimmers, except for like that one, like this one color really, and actually these 2 colors. These are just a little bit warmer, but everything else in this palette is pretty cool toned. So yeah, and honestly, this palette also gives me a slight vibes to the Juvias Place Nomad palette as far as like how cool toned it is. So if you were unable to get either of those palettes, I feel like this one right here would be like a great substitute in a sense to kind of get the feel of like I don't know if the Warrior's still available, I don't know, and I don't think the Nomad is, but this would definitely be a nice substitute. Okay, so this is that right now, and I like this. Okay, so what I want to do next, I'm torn. Like not torn like with shadows, but like what brush I want to use. I think I'm going to use a brush that I'm thinking of using. Okay, yes. So I want to first see how dark this brown is. So I might start off with this, and if I want it to be a little bit darker, I might move into this and see what this can do for me. But let me first start here. Nope. This is definitely not dark enough. Okay, let me just go ahead and put this on the other side. But yeah, no, this is not deep enough. So this is definitely like a nice chocolate. Like if you were lighter, like someone who's way lighter than me, probably this would be, you know, perfect for you. But for me, I want just a little bit more, and this is just not dark enough. So taking the same brush, let me just clean off a little bit. I'm gonna go into that other shade to see how dark that is. Please. Ooh, this looks dark, you guys. This looks really dark. So let me tap off the excess. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is like a nice dark brown. So perfect. Okay, so I'm just taking that first brush that I used to put on my crease color to go ahead and blend out the edges of this darker shade. So I'm torn. Okay, I keep saying I'm torn, but I really kind of want to do an all matte eye look. I kind of want to because I just love it, but then I kind of want to play with these shimmers just, you know, for you guys to see it. But can I swatch them for you guys? I'm telling you guys, I have been loving a neutral eye look and it being all matte. Something about that is just so appealing to me. Then you know, some nice lashes, some liner. Oh, it just looks so good. But let me see. I'm gonna swatch these shades so I can kind of see what I want to do. So I'm gonna leave that for now. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna focus. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for now. But let me swatch some of these shades. Like for example, this color right here. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so that's a little bit warmer. In the pan, it does not look like that. This kind of looks like a, oh, it's like a duochrome shade. Okay, so there's that. Let me see what this one looks like. Okay, so all of these shades to me being swatched look very warm, except for this one. This one's like icy. And let me see, I'm gonna do this hand here. So this right here is this white, this white shade. That's pretty. Let's swatch this one here. Okay, so these are really cute. These are cute, but I'll be very honest. I'm gonna, hold on, y'all. Okay, sorry, I had to take a phone call. All right, so the other shade that I wanted to show you guys was this one right here. This one's like this, like swirl looking shade, which I think after you mix it in, this is a basic looking shade. Okay, so just so I'm not like repeating looks, because the look that I want to do today, I know I definitely have a look on my channel like it. It's very similar. What I originally want to do is very similar to the look that I did with the Juvias Place, their Deuce palette, my Bring It Back Thursday. So I was gonna go into this shade, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Let's see how this looks. Just I want to do like a nice like brown smoky eye, you know, with a little bit of some shimmer, I guess you could say. Ooh. Ooh, okay, this is a little cute. Okay. So if you are new to Juvia's Place, their shimmers they're pretty, but they're very hard pressed. Okay, so I feel like I have to go in a couple of times so I, you know, get it on my lid, just because of how hard pressed it is. Like it's like I'm digging into the pan. But now their mattes just like glide out the pan. It's so smooth. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna blend that. But ooh, my camera's about to die, but I'm gonna see how much we can get done on this battery life right here. I'm almost done with this look anyway, so I'm gonna turn this camera off and do the rest of my face off camera. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this into this shade right here. Okay. So taking this brush that I used to put on like that dark brown, I'm just gonna go ahead and like, you know, kind of like marry these colors in together. Okay, so this is pretty much the look. Like it's a very soft eye. Very soft eye. Actually, you know what? I don't know if I want to bring this shimmer a little bit further over, or if I like where the brown's at. Usually I have the shimmer more on the lid and the brown on the outer V. But I really want this. Okay, you know what? Let's just try it. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger because it's like that brush and the shimmer. Ooh, I think I like that better, right? This looks better now that it's brought over just a little bit more. Yes. Ooh, yes. I like this a lot better. Yeah, this is the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the palette. I've pretty much talked about most of it, but we'll just close out the video, okay? So I'll be back shortly. All right, you guys, so this is the semi-completed look. As I was doing like my eyeshadow, I wanted to add one more color, but I want to come on camera and do it. By the way, I took the darker shade and I smudged it all down below, but I want to take this shade. It's just calling my name, and I just want to like put this as an inner corner color because I feel like it's missing something here. Don't you guys think? Ooh, let's see here. That is a pretty color. Honestly, that is pretty on its own. I kind of want to take that and just, okay, hold on. I put this like this and just drag it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was definitely sleeping on this color. Okay, so in the pan, it looks like just a basic, regular white shimmer. It has like some type of like green duochrome to it. This is honestly a really pretty color that I'm not even gonna lie, I had no intention of like just really using, but this is something that's really pretty on its own. See, I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit here. And I think that just kind of like rounds out the look because it just looked a little weird there. And I didn't want to just take that color and bring it a little bit further out, like that first shimmer shade that I put down. But this, I think this really rounds out the eye look. Yep, I like this a lot. Okay, so yeah, you guys, this is a completed look. And I like the way this looks. This is cute. Okay, so how much does this palette cost? I really don't remember. I buy these things and I don't remember how much it costs. I want to say it was no more than $20. You do get 12 shades in here. Yes, you get 12 shades in here. 5 of them are matte and 7 of them are shimmers. There are no glitters. It's a mixture of like regular shimmers and like some duochromes. There's no multi-chromes, so none of that in here. This dark shade is actually pretty dark, so this palette definitely has a range to, you know, it can get you something like this or it can go lighter. This is perfect. Like this right here is a perfect for me an everyday palette. Of course, I would have loved the black in here, but still I can make some shake with just, you know, with this here. So for anybody who's looking for like a nice neutral everyday palette, even though there's so many on the market, this is a great contender. It's definitely a great option. It's just very simple. The Nubian Earth, honestly, I feel like Juvia's Place really has so many, they have so many things like this at this point. Like they have so many palettes, like honestly. But with them is that they don't keep all their palettes around forever. So like I said, this is very similar to the Warrior palette. It's also giving me vibes of the Nomad palette that they have. And I don't think either one of those are available. So this is a great option to kind of get like that feel. It's a nice neutral palette that leans more cool tone as far as the mattes go. Some of the shimmers are warm, but pretty much this palette definitely is giving me cool tone vibes. Don't you guys think? I definitely think so. But anyways, that is that with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you pick this palette up, if you plan on picking this palette up, or, you know, What are your thoughts on it? Did you enjoy this look? Do you like this look? Okay, oh, I'm out of focus. No. How long was I out of focus from you guys? No. Anyways, I don't know how long I was out of focus. Let me just put my hair back, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.